Jason Castle with BassBoatElectronics.com. Today, we've got the active imaging transducers, and we're going to explain everything you need to know. Not only what the 3-in-1 transducer is, but also what the 2-in-1 transducer is. And also available on BassBoatElectronics.com, we've got the 3-in-1 in a 6-foot cable and the 2-in-1 high-performance kit with Y cable, critical on your Elite TI2 displays. So stay tuned, and this is everything you need to know on the active imaging transducers from Lowrance. Now let's talk about the active imaging 3-in-1 transducer from Lowrance. This is your standard 3-in-1 transducer with your 25-foot cable, 9-pin connector. This is going to be compatible with your HDS carbons, your lives, and your Elite TI2 displays. This has everything built in. This is your all-in-one transducer. Chirp, 2D, your down scan, and your side scan. This is the 3-in-1 transducer, exact same format, just with a 6-foot cable. This is going to be critical for kayak installs where you do not need the full 25-foot cable, and this is a simple, clean install to mount on the side of the kayak and included in our Kayak Killer Elite TI combos. Now let's discuss the active imaging 2-in-1 transducer. The 2-in-1 transducer only has your down imaging and your side imaging elements, making you able to run a 2D element, whether shoot through the hole or a transom mount, to get your depth reading on plane. Now the 2-in-1 comes with the transducer only, or they also have the high performance kit. In the high performance kit, you get the HST-WSBL skimmer style transducer, included hardware to mount both transducers, as well as a Y cable. And this Y cable is critical on the Elite TI2 displays where you only have a single 9-pin connector. You can run an in-hole, either existing 7-pin and your 2-in-1, but this kit is needed for your high-performance setup on the Elite TI2 displays. Thanks for watching the Lowrance Active Imaging Transducer Breakdown. If you have any questions, let us know, and make sure you visit us at BassBoatElectronics.com.